Hello, students! Welcome back to our grammar class. Let's explore and learn about phrases and clauses. These are important building blocks of sentences. Phrases. A phrase is a group of words that does not have a subject and a finite verb, and it does not make complete sense on its own. Examples: on the table, into the pool, this evening. There are 5 types of phrases: noun phrase, adverbial phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase. The central element of a phrase is called the head, and it determines the type of phrase. Noun phrase. A noun phrase has a noun as its main word or head, and usually tells who or what we are talking about. Example: Chewy gummies. Adverbial phrase. An adverbial phrase has an adverb as its head and tells us how, when, or where an action is done. Example: work harder. Adjective phrase. An adjective phrase has an adjective as its head and describes a noun or pronoun in the sentence. Example: so expensive. Verb phrase. A verb phrase has a verb as its head and expresses the action or state of the subject. Example: must like cookies. Prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase has a preposition as its head and usually shows direction, place, time, or relationship. Example: to the park. Clauses. A clause is a group of words that has a subject, a predicate, and a finite verb. Check the examples. I am a doctor. Types of clauses. Independent clauses. An independent clause has a subject and a finite verb and expresses a complete thought. It can stand alone as a sentence. Example: Harvey gave me a pen. Dependent clauses. Dependent clauses also have a subject and a verb, but cannot stand alone. They depend on the main clause to make sense. Example: Harvey gave me a pen, which was made of silver. Types of dependent clauses. Noun clauses. Act as a noun in a sentence. Usually start with what, who, whoever, whether, why, where, which. Check the examples. Adjective clauses. Also called relative clauses, they modify a noun or pronoun. Usually start with who, which, whom, that, when, where, why. Refer to the examples. Adverbial clauses. Modify the verb in the main clause and function as an adverb. They answer how, when, where, why, to what extent. Look at the examples. It's time to practice. Take a moment, think carefully, and try your answers. Now, let's review the solutions together. Fantastic effort, everyone! Keep practicing and your English skills will grow stronger every day. See you in the next lesson.